Hi everyone. We are about a third of the way through our course, getting ready to start week 3. This is going to be pretty intense this week. We have the chapter 3 test deadline on Sunday night, followed by several sections of homework for chapter 4 and another discussion post. And then the chapter 4 test deadline is going to be Friday night. After that, you get to start working on chapter 5 material next weekend. It's tight, so try to plan your time accordingly. If you happen to miss a deadline for those assignments, you can use the late pass. That will buy you another 2 days to get it done, but after that it does become a 0. We do have the discussion post, so I want to remind you that that's 15% of your grade, and it is designed to help you prepare for the portfolio portion of our final exam. I've provided you with a rubric for how I'm assessing your posts, what elements I'm looking for, and to what level I'm looking for it. If you have questions about that, let me know. But if you're not getting the highest mark on there, I am providing some feedback to you on those. So make sure you're looking at that, because I'd really like to have you do really well on that final exam portfolio based on your experiences with the discussions. Okay, so if you have questions about anything in the course, as far as policies or about the content, just let me know. I am still offering a Google Meet optional session, but I can also do individual appointments if that is easier for you and you want to just kind of directly chat about some things. Lastly, don't forget about the Academic Success Center, the online math lab. We've got lots of hours throughout the week, day and evening, so take advantage of that, put our instructors to work, and get yourself some help when you need it. Have a great week.